What is good, YouTube? We are back, day 3 or 4 technically.
It's four.
Yesterday, all they did was practice what they learned. Gave them a little break.
Oh fuck.
They did decent, to be honest. How y'all feel about everything?
Feel good?
Good?
Yeah.
We feeling good?
Just went over some homework practice. It was.
Yeah. I just reviewed all the stuff they sent yesterday or today.
Let me get you right.
But yeah, today we're going over daily bias, which is pretty much just putting everything we learned together to determine where the market wants to go for the day. So let's get it. Bang. Daily bias. Here's how we're gonna start. We start on daily time frame.
Okay.
Scroll up and see what we have. What draws on liquidity, where we're rejecting the wicks.
And we're just comparing the two still at the same time, or
Yeah, you want to look at both to see if we have SMTs or any of that. So like here, we have a SMT on this low.
already, yeah.
Already, I'm already seeing that.
So yeah, we got a daily SMT on here from these points.
So then we would think, since the one on the right would shoot up,
Both of them.
Okay.
Because this is telling us that it wants
Yeah,
to go. This one broke the trend because
What's
like
the-
that one was following the trend of going down.
Yeah.
So
Here,
that's
best way to think of SMTs, think if it's on the low, it's like a floor. Then
like
if
wait,
it-
like if it's like this.
if the SMT is on the lows of the candles, think of it like a floor. Like you don't want to go lower, you could only go up.
All right.
Then if it's on the highs, think of it as a roof. Like
As
you
a
can't
roof.
go higher, you're gonna drop.
As a roof.
You kind of see what I mean?
I see what you mean. Yeah.
But then I mean here we also have a SMT on the highs as well.
Damn. So what the fuck is this telling you right here?
Probably nothing too strong.
So it'll stay right here. You think like somewhere in between this or not?
Yeah, we'll
For
probably
now?
accumulate for a little.
We could see.
All right, what do we see here now? Both indexes have tapped into a 4-hour fair value.
See a little
gap
fair value gap.
right here.
Wait, I was looking at this one. Low key.
This.
No, the other one.
This
one. No, to the right. To the right. To the right. That one.
Oh yeah, I don't know if the candle didn't close yet.
Alright, bet, my bad.
But let's see.
That's 1 hour.
1 hour time frame. What do we have?
Damn.
Oh,
we'd
we're
have,
getting rejection out of what's it called? Out of a 1 hour fair value gap here. Got to break a structure. But we got all these fair value gaps on the left as well.
Rejection is technically respecting it, right?
Yeah. So you see, we tapped in, got a fat wick.
Yeah. We're tapping into 2 right now. You think?
Yeah.
So now we should expect it, hopefully, to respect it and also go down
so
as well.
Right now we have nothing's too clear right now.
Yeah,
we have
exactly.
stuff pointing us in both directions.
True.
Here he's saying we want to go lower. Here he's saying we want to go higher. And we got SMTs on both points. I think we do have a little SMT like in between these. You see how this candle took these out? And this one didn't.
Hold on, because I'm seeing an inverse fair value gap right here, right? But what does the inverse fair value gap tell you again, bro?
That you want to go the direction it closed.
The direction it closed, alright.
But I mean, here we obviously didn't.
Yeah.
We went there, then we inversed the gap we made.
Alright.
But right here, we have a 15-minute fair value gap as well.
Gotcha.
That we're
Damn.
that
true,
I think we'll probably
true.
reject from, and we could probably target highs like this.
That's the liquidity we want to sweep.
Yeah. Then we also have these 5 minutes. So realistically, nothing's too clear here. So we'd have to wait it out. But right now,
So that tall one, technically, if you would want it to sell, that you would put your stop loss right there, no? Right? Or if you're trying,
technically,
at least if you want to buy, then you expect it to kind of touch
this
it
would
back.
be a spot you'd put your TP in.
TP. Okay, maybe.
But
Maybe instead of-
right here, what I'm expecting is we'll either come a little lower
Mm-hmm.
into the fair value gap
And then shoot a little bit more up.
then sweep these highs out.
You think so?
Yeah, or we might get a move like this where we reject out this gap already, sweep these highs,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Yeah,
reject
start
out of
going
the
down.
4 hour
Damn.
and get something going lower. So let's see how we react right now. Okay, we swept highs out.
It just went just like that in one candle.
Yeah, this was market open.
just like that.
Yeah, that was our market open
What?
candle.
It just jumped. You could have jumped in there at 30 seconds as soon as it opened, started buying it.
But I mean, look, this is
Oh, that
the
was 1 hour.
30-second. This is in 30 seconds. This is the candle we got.
And that's as soon as it.
So you
opened.
really have no entry.
Bro.
Now let's see what we do.
There's no shot.
We just formed a SMT at these highs.
Yeah.
So we may want to go lower
So you
now.
actually swept it, no?
Yeah, we swept
Yeah,
these
okay,
highs out.
Yeah. That's
Now
not
let's see what we do.
So
Okay.
now you're making higher, but then it went down.
But yeah, think about it. It
It's
just
just-
swept. It just swept this FVG, so it's now probably on a bearish trend because it just swept that one.
So,
It did
I
disrespected it,
mean,
bro.
Tell me I was wrong.
You're right, bro. You're right, bro. You was right. Hey,
But
I
I
should
mean-
never question this boy.
On
That-
your first one? Because you said it was going to go down a little bit, then up.
I said one of them. One of them.
Look,
Okay.
he said he'd sweep this liquidity that we had over
No, I
here,
know,
right?
yeah, that's
Which he
what I'm
was
saying,
right.
but
We
when
swept
we first
it.
started it, we were like, what? Over here, the first one. Oh, and then one
Right
just
here.
jumped up straight as soon as market opened.
And as
So-
soon as it broke that
Well, no, this is
FVG,
actually-
boom.
no, this is actually when market opened. You see 8 a.m. 15.
Then let's see. We got this low and this low that I think will come to at least on ES before we fully move higher.
Mm-hmm.
But look at how clean this is. We come up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sweep liquidity out.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
which way is that saying we want to go now? Up or down?
Down.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because we
Because
swept,
we swept that
liquidity.
liquidity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we swept highs, and then look what we do right away. Yeah, let me zoom in a
Can you
little
touch?
more.
That's the SMT basically.
Yeah, on this high, we swept it here,
We did not sweep it there.
And you did not
And-
sweep it there.
and then here,
It went down.
right here.
Sheesh.
So that one broke the trend because this trend it was trying to go up. So that one broke the trend, telling us that it was gonna go back down.
Yeah,
All right,
and
bet.
then this SMT here is pretty much our roof.
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
We don't want to go above this point now.
Gotcha.
And look what
that
we
makes
did.
sense. Nice.
We go lower.
Mm-hmm.
We make our fair value gap right here.
still respecting the other fair value gap. Yeah, true.
This fair value gap, we get
Damn.
rejection out, a good wick, a doji candle, and then look, we go to take this low out.
Damn. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then the reason we could just start going higher now
Mhm.
is because we do have a SMT down here. Because you see how we got these little lows here, like these ones?
Yeah.
We swept it out here.
Yeah.
And let's see, that point would be all the way down here. So this is
Damn.
the point ES swept, and look at where Nasdaq is
Yeah.
right now.
It's way above it, right? So
Yeah.
it didn't go as much down as that
So
one.
let's see, we respected our fair value gap again.
You can see it,
And-
and it's a long wick, a lot of movement.
Exactly. Now let's see,
Oh, no,
rejected again.
Oh, but it's just tapped in. Us. Oh shit!
See,
It didn't fully close above it.
yeah, we probably will.
And
Boom.
And
yeah,
now
we probably
we're
will, yeah.
going higher.
Even broke the other hour gap fair value gap
Exactly.
again. So what would that tell us? That it's gonna go down again or up?
For what?
For this, right? Like would the chart? I'm asking like would this tell us that it's gonna go down again or up? Because it just broke that fair value gap again, or is that fair value gap not even a question no more? Because it been broke.
This one, it's still a fair value gap until we close. What time frame is it? On the 4 hour. So it's 9 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, we probably won't inverse it while we're on it because it doesn't close till 1 o'clock. Alright. But now, since we're just going around, now we gotta look at everything again. So we kind of gotta reevaluate and see what we have now. So we have SMTs on the 5 minute from this point here to that point, and here to here. You see that one?
Yeah.
So now, let's see.
Which one's the lagging one? Which one's the lagging pair?
Lagging Nasdaq.
Nasdaq?
Yeah.
Why would you say that? Because that one
Because
broke
ES
the floor.
is the one who took it, yeah. So now, all we're looking at is draws on liquidity, which we talked about to find where we may want to go now.
Yeah.
So we have this high we could take, this high, this high. So these could be some good points we may want to go to. Let's see if we do. We may just go down again because we have a SMT at the highs again.
Yeah.
It looks like it, yeah, from right there.
Bang, yeah. We went lower. We're still respecting this gap we had.
Yeah.
Let's just go.
Damn, that shot
Bang.
up pretty much.
You see?
That's true, it did shoot up.
Let's go to a
This was
different
the 1
time
minute.
frame.
Dang, and it's still the movement.
Yeah,
Still,
there's-
dang.
You
There's
respected the fuck out of that.
There's
shit.
no higher time frame gaps we made on the way there.
Yeah.
But look at how we're respecting all these bullish gaps.
For
Wait, what do you mean? What gaps?
Like this one. Here, we'll do this one
this
for example.
one to
Oh, you talking about that? Oh,
Yeah,
fair
look,
value
we
gaps. Yeah.
tapped in once, rejected. Tapped in again,
Yeah.
rejected.
So this is a bullish trend easily. Like
Yeah.
you can read that shit. It's
But
just a
then
bullish
look
trend.
at this again right here.
Yeah.
In this gap, we formed a SMT, and I think it's
that one's high.
exactly.
And this the one that broke the trends. So wait. The one that breaks the trend is the one that's lagging.
I mean, it doesn't really matter which one's lagging. They both are saying the same thing.
That it
It's
wants
gonna
to
go
go
up.
up.
Wanna go up.
Yeah.
But look, we formed a SMT, and look at how much like more power that gave us to go up.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Man.
Now, I mean, let's look again, and
Even though 15
realistically,
minutes don't went crazy.
we got this high right here
Mhm.
that we may want to come to, but we also could reject because what are we in over here?
15 minutes.
Bearish trend. Breaking structure.
3 candles.
Fair value gap.
Yeah, a fair value gap. From here
To the,
there, and
and then you respected it, and you got rejection.
yeah, there we did. But now let's see where we are now.
Oh.
You see, we're
It
still
was still
in it,
close.
but we
Damn.
did sweep that high out. So this would
Yeah, we
be a
swept that.
spot we could start seeing some rejection now.
Some rejection. Yeah.
But overall, we're so strong bullish. I would
But you mean inversion? Or rejection still?
we didn't inverse it yet.
Okay.
We
Until
gotta
right
wait
there,
for
kind
this.
of,
No,
Oh.
cause we gotta wait for. It's a 15-minute fair value gap, so we gotta wait for the 15-minute candle to close. So what time is it right
Strong
now?
as bearish. I mean bullish trend.
23. So
Oh,
7
okay.
minutes till we can see really. But look, we just took out.
Would you
that
say that's high resistance right there?
Yeah, that would be a strong draw because that
Snap.
is a 15-minute high.
Bro,
at the top
yeah.
of a
What the
trend.
fuck?
So now we would say it kind of inversed, you know?
No, the candle never closed.
Still never closed.
Yeah.
Dang.
But Now look, we may start going a little lower
But over there, look at that. It's quicker as dang. That's crazy.
because now we got a fat SMT at this
yeah,
high.
for real.
Now let's see how we react just off of that SMT. We may still reject from this 15-minute gap.
I would have thought it was been going low. Oh,
Mm-mm.
and there it is. Yeah.
Because there's a SMT forming that told you that
Yeah,
price
that's
might
what
start
I'm
going
saying.
down.
That's
Actually,
what I'm saying.
Let's see
That's
again
how I
now.
see it.
We're tapping into a 15-minute fair value gap, but we did inverse the
You
one
guys
all
just
the
say you
way
finally
to the
did
left.
close,
true. We
Let's
inverse that
mark
shit.
out this 15-minute gap.
and that tells you almost like one's maybe expecting to break a structure. So technically,
To the high.
Yeah.
So let's see if we react off this 15.
Damn, yeah.
And we did continue going higher.
Yeah.
You see how when you
Damn,
put
gang.
everything together, it's pretty simple to read the charts.
True. Yeah, true, yeah.
I literally just used the
so then like let's say it was live
Things
trading,
we
and
talk-
you're watching
Yeah,
this
you
go
literally
down,
just did, yeah.
but then you're using hopefully as soon as you see maybe this first candle close up.
I'll show you my entry right here.
I need to start using these liquidity lines that you actually be using. That shit actually helps too, bro.
Good.
Because it's gonna let you know that like once you sweep that, you might not want to.
Oh,
That's
like,
gonna be a place that you're not gonna reach for like a minute. You know,
y'all
you
want
already
to see?
swept that.
Y'all want to see where we would enter the trade?
Yeah.
Where would we have entered the trade?
Right here.
Rates, yeah, that's
You
what
see,
I'm
we
saying.
got rejection
yeah.
out the 15
Yeah, we would have
fair
fucking
value
been
gap,
in that. Yeah.
but you can't just enter off of
I
that.
don't know.
We formed a SMT.
Oh yeah.
Was it on this one? No, not that one.
No, not that
We
one.
formed SMT on this one, yeah.
From that one to
That. And then on ES, from this to that. You see, NQ is above this point,
Mm-hmm.
ES is below that point.
Telling you that it's gonna keep shooting up.
Exactly. So we have two confluences saying high. Rejection out of a 15-minute, a 1-minute SMT.
Mm-hmm.
Look, we made a fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do this. We have a fair value gap. Watch this. Bang. We close above.
We had liquidity. We just had swept too.
You gap, then you closed above.
So we
then
would
you
have bought there.
like
Stop loss.
Yeah,
below
stop by
SMT.
True.
Take profit. What do we target in the market?
Liquidity.
Exactly. Where looks like the strong point of liquidity here?
The strong point right here, no?
Why there, not here?
Oh, my bad. Cause this is, shit.
I mean, both
This is,
of them,
I mean, it's low resistance, so I feel like that
yeah,
one.
this is
that one's
more
like the-
obvious, but
So you'd
we-
want to sweep that one actually. Then.
because look, we look pretty strong bullish overall, right?
Oh,
look
yeah.
at
So
how
you'd want to sweep
So-
this liquidity
Yeah,
to
so
keep
I
the
think
the
we wanna
bullish
keep
trend
growing.
going. Yeah,
And-
got it. My bad.
And then bang. TP
profit.
smack.
My boy would have
TP
fucking. My boy would have fucking hit gang. But you was
Alright,
not like
Ozzy,
that. All right,
This
bet.
is the only
Lock
time
in.
you're getting the king's seat.
Oh, merch.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Alright. Can I look at the day?
Yeah.
Or just
Switch through all the time.
Alright, so what I'm getting at is we're having wait, what the fuck did I just no.
Yeah, they took out all the bottle service already, bro. What the fuck?
Lock in, fool.
Lock in.
I'm trying to get my boy some tickets, bro.
Alright, so what do you see here?
Alright, so I'm looking at a little a bullish trend, right? I'm also seeing that we already have swept this liquidity right
Yeah.
here in both of them. No SMCs found in the days. This is, I guess, our new liquidity that we'd want to sweep later on.
So I would get rid of the past liquidity
Yeah,
just so it doesn't confuse.
yeah, that confused me. I was thinking we was going down.
No. So So this is our liquidity right here.
So yeah, that would be a strong draw because we're on the daily time frame.
Yeah, that's a strong draw. Yeah, and
And
then
yeah.
this should be our low liquidity or
Yeah, that would be a good
Alright,
low
alright.
if we want to go lower.
say that. All right. All right, this is what we got going on right here. Fuck.
I'd say that's pretty much.
All right, that's
it
pretty
there.
much it for here.
Now scale down.
How much?
4
down?
hour.
You want a 4 hour?
Yeah,
bet.
we'll go
4
4 hour, 1 hour, 15.
Well, both of them on the 4 hours. This is 4 hours.
Yeah, both on
Alright,
4.
bet. I don't know if it's switched or not. Right here we have what's it called? Fair value gap that I see that we didn't respect. I mean reject. Same shit.
So it's
It's a what?
it's untapped right now.
Yeah, it's untapped right now.
You gotta click to place it.
Oh shit, I didn't find it.
But look, I'd say mark the one higher up
Oh yeah.
because
No,
you're
right,
more
right.
likely to tap that one than the one below.
Damn, so every fair value gap really counts. It don't matter how fucking small it is,
Yeah.
game. Damn, alright, yeah. That one's small as fuck. Alright, wait.
Sir.
Alright, yeah, these are 4 hour fair value gaps. Should I go back to 1 minute for that, or should I
No, wait.
keep? Should I
What do
keep-
you see right here though? We're
I see.
rejecting.
Yep.
Yeah,
We're
SMT.
rejecting another fair value gap right here. Again, we're rejecting it again right here.
That's true.
Um,
But that one you in.
Look, you inversed it there.
We inversed it over here. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah, so get rid of
Which
that.
is shit.
Because that's no longer a fair value gap now.
True.
Okay.
But don't we have like a SMT going on type? Thing
Do
here?
we? I don't fucking know.
That's what I. No, not really. Or
No. You're right.
Look,
You're right.
did
Never
we
mind.
sweep this
Nah.
high?
This high?
That right
that
No,
one did
no.
actually.
No,
Or
we haven't swept
there.
that.
So
high.
we have a SMT.
Yeah, right. Because it did sweep this high.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
we
we'd have
an
a
SMT.
right there.
You don't really gotta mark it out because it's higher time frame,
Alright,
but
bet.
just keep an overall idea.
Alright, then we got an SMC and what's it called? This one, what's it called? Broke the trend, so I guess it's saying it's gonna go up. Keep
Down.
going up.
Because
Down?
because it's on top.
Oh, I mean, cause this is what's it called? So this is still in the fair value gap. Does that even matter?
Yeah, it does matter because it's not 100% saying we want to go lower,
Alright.
but you gotta keep an idea. We're in a 4 hour with the SMT, so we may want to go a little lower.
Yeah.
Maybe get our retrace move into one of these gaps.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, should I go down? Should I
Yeah,
go down in
I'd
the
go down to 1 hour now.
1 hour? Okay. Alright. What the fuck do I do here?
What do you see happening right now?
I'm seeing that we just swept this low, this liquidity right here.
Yeah.
We didn't sweep it over here though. Yeah.
So we do have a SMT.
SMT. Yeah.
But look, we're also little fair value gap.
Wait, where? Right here?
Yeah.
Like right.
Zoom in a little more so you can see.
Fuck. This one? This is literally it right here?
No. Right. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Can that bean that shit off?
Somebody turn my
We
boy
in, the,
up.
we in the classroom, bro. No. Okay.
You not locked in, man.
Oh yeah, we did end up
You
tapping
up
into
next.
this fair value gap
Oh,
right here.
Nigga.
What's it called?
You heard him, chat? You
Where?
heard that word?
You should have heard him the first video.
Well,
What video game?
He looks like he
I
can
don't know.
say it.
I don't know what you mean, bro.
You look
Alright.
like
And then we ended
I
up
can't-
tapping into these fair value gaps right here in the 1 hour time frame, which should indicate probably that we'll shoot up a little right here.
Yeah.
At least at this
So now
time.
it's
Is it 1 minute?
scale down to 15.
15?
Scale up, no?
No, we already scaled up.
Yeah, we started at daily.
That shit's gonna fucking start up. Right.
Click back. Yeah, we good. Yeah. Now what do we see here?
I see. I see that this is the highest point of our liquidity right here,
Yeah,
and
so that might be a good draw.
yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Yeah, and then we might not go to that place for a little
Mhm.
while, and this is our new highest liquidity right here. I mean, our new lowest high liquidity right here, and I also see that we had a fair value gap right here that we
Did we
disrespected it.
Yep.
Yeah, we disrespected it, so it ended up going down,
Mhm.
like expected. And we have this liquidity right here that we could probably sweep out. It's looking like it wants to
Yeah.
sweep out and get out of it. And what's it called? Yeah, bro. It's
looks
gonna go
pretty
down
good.
for now.
So go to the
for
1
15
minute
minutes,
right now?
for 15 minutes, yeah. For 1 minute, let's go.
I mean,
let's
you
go to
don't
that.
really gotta look for much here. But
Oh, I see a fucking fair value gap right here that we're respecting,
okay.
giving us
So-
another signal of confluence that we
So what do
drop
you-
down probably in this minute.
What do you think we're gonna do market open?
We're gonna dip down. We're
Dip
gonna go
down?
Yeah.
To where do you think?
At least sweep this liquidity right here, and probably if I had another fucking confluence of liquidity, I'd probably fucking it shit don't matter.
Maybe go to
Yeah,
the
probably
higher
just
time
right
frame.
here.
Go to the higher time frame to see.
Just to see
Go to
maybe.
like the 15.
Yeah,
What do
and
you think?
probably sweep this liquidity
Maybe,
right
that would be-
here. Wait, right here probably.
But
Yeah, right
that's
here.
no one
Yeah.
shot.
I'd mark that one out too, because most of the
me
time,
see.
if we're gonna go that low,
We're gonna go that. We might
we'll
as well go this low.
probably. Yeah,
Okay. All right, and then go back to 1 minute.
yeah. Let's go back to 1 minute.
You see, we might actually
So,
sweep,
let me see.
that low. Is that low resistance?
That'd be high resistance.
High resistance,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, because we were on a high time.
So
frame,
what we would usually call that is our draw on liquidity.
draw on liquidity.
So that's where we think the market's gonna target.
I like that. All right.
So what do you think? We'll come
We'll come. Yeah, we'll
come down.
Yeah.
Then you think we're just gonna continue down,
Probably-
inverse these gaps, or you think we're gonna go up afterward?
Well, if we see some, what's it called? If we see, what's it called? The chart respecting these fair value gaps, maybe you'd want to go a little bit more up. But if it keeps dipping down, then
You
yeah,
think we'll
I think
continue?
we'll sweep
So let's
that.
see.
I think we'll
Okay,
sweep that for sure.
So this was market open,
Okay.
our first candle.
yeah,
You were right on that.
yeah.
We did sweep most the lows out. We got
Mhm.
close to this one.
hmm
We didn't on ES though. So now we have a SMT at the low.
Damn.
So
yeah,
you-
you're right. Yeah.
So what do you think? You think we'll go up or you keep going down now?
I honestly think we will go a little bit more up. But eventually go back down. But
Because look
what's
at
it called?
that. ES just tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap.
yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. It just tapped
Nasdaq
in.
didn't too.
It rejected it.
It did too, or it did?
Nasdaq didn't. So we would have a SMT as of now.
Damn, yeah.
Let's see. Continue lower after that.
Wow.
Let's see what we do.
Swept all three liquidity.
What do you think's gonna happen
Spots.
here? Because we swept all the liquidity in the fair value gap.
I think that's gonna be another point where we don't want to go because it already passed the other liquidity. So I think it'll shoot a little bit more up. Oh shit! I was
See?
fucking. Damn, I was completely wrong with my stupid ass. So, I think after it stopped, or after it disrespected this FVG, right?
Technically, we didn't disrespect it yet because the candle hasn't closed yet.
Oh, okay,
Remember.
Okay, my bad.
The candle has to close before we did. We just tapped into another 1 hour though. So what would you expect from that? 1 hour, let's see.
Oh, it'll
Do we-
definitely start like moving
We
up
really
a little
don't
bit
have
more.
any lows to
Mhm.
target besides this little 15-minute.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
if anything, we may see that and then, oh shit. something like that.
Wait, for real? You think we may sweep that liquidity
We
too
could,
out?
yeah, because
Damn.
look, it's a 15-minute
True.
fair value gap, and
Yeah.
we're pretty close right now.
Mhm.
So let's see. Okay.
Damn, you were right.
So we
bro.
got that.
Yeah.
Let's see why though. There's no 5-minute fair value gap we rejected.
No.
Maybe no 15. No.
Mm.
No, we disrespected this 2-minute here.
Mhm.
So really, it was just our little retrace move. We didn't reject from any gaps.
Mhm. Yeah.
Let's see, we're deep in the 15.
Yeah. True.
And yeah, I
Damn,
mean, I
ended up
guess we
still being
just
a-
dumped today, right?
Yeah, we just dumped it. Yeah, we just dumped.
That whole day was a dump day. Damn.
That ass.
Just like
That
today,
was-
basically, or like recently. the market.
Yeah. So let's see. Let's see this. We'll go 5 minutes, see what we did for the whole day.
Even disrespected. I mean, or it just.
Yeah, it's
that fair-
disrespecting everything.
So it was inverse in telling you maybe that market would want to start moving down from there. Maybe, right?
Yeah, I mean, we're really coming all the way
All the
down
way
to
down to
these
that
lows.
liquidity.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, going up.
Maybe tapped into another low.
Yeah, there's
Fair
probably a
value.
5 or maybe a 5, maybe 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Got a 1 hour.
Yeah.
So,
Tapping in.
But I
Might go
mean-
down.
you see how market moves, though, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
You sure?
Are you sure? Hey, come sit on the big chair now, boy.
Yeah, shit.
Come on,
just
big boy. Because
ask
I
me.
actually,
You
I
up
didn't,
now.
I didn't do.
But here's the thing you gotta keep in mind. When we're dumping like that in a day, so far down,
Yeah.
it's usually best to not even trade it.
Why?
Because you gotta think of it like this. We're disrespecting every gap going lower.
Yeah.
We gotta go up at some point.
Okay.
But you really don't know when, because we're disrespecting everything, sweeping all the liquidity out.
Mm-hmm. So that still would be like a bad trade, you saying?
I mean,
Or you wouldn't
it
trade?
depends where you got in. Like, if it was like 20, 30 minutes into market open
Mm-hmm.
and you're taking shorts, yeah. But once we're like an hour and a half in and we haven't even got like a retrace into a high time frame gap, it's usually not even worth it.
Okay. All right.
Most of the time, you'll enter a trade and get fucked.
Money.
Guess
we'll
who's
get there,
up,
bro.
chat?
We'll get there. Bro. Appreciate it.
Let's
though.
go.
Let's see it.
Damn, belly, damn. All right, so we got some new lower lows, right? Or lower, like, can I mark this out?
Yeah.
So we go here. We're on a day frame to a day frame. So do we want to maybe find an SMT or something like here? Right?
Yeah.
So if I go from here to here,
Yeah.
would also, do I do it on the other one?
Other one.
Oh shit. Where was it? So it's this one. So then it's here to
Do the other work.
what wait?
The
this
one next to it. Do that one
Oh,
because
my bad.
that already took its
Okay.
point.
So why is it showing it on this other one though? So it goes
Because
here.
I mean, technically,
would it
it
go?
is the other candle, but since we already
I'm
took
going to
that
the
candle,
other bit. Would it go to this one?
No.
To this one?
Yeah.
Technically. So
That'd
that's
be
where
our-
we're seeing our next
we would
SM.
have our SMT there, but then we also have one there too.
From here and then
To the low we have.
Okay.
You don't
makes
gotta
sense.
mark that,
No,
though,
no,
since
yeah,
we-
that,
yeah.
I can see it with this and that. Okay, so what's next? So what we're expecting it, since it's for it to somewhat maybe shoot up, right?
I mean,
It's only gonna go.
that's what a SMT says,
That's what we're
but
saying. Okay, now we gotta look closer into it.
yeah,
So now we switch it to what, 4 hours?
yeah,
Okay.
your dead ass just gonna go down the line.
Okay. So now this is the same. No, it's not the same SMT. It was this one, right? This one to that one. Yeah, that's the SMT from formed here compare?
There's no
Okay,
SMT.
not SMT. All right.
Do you know why there isn't though?
No.
Because look, that point has been taken by both of them.
that one and that one.
No, I mean like here, it doesn't matter which candle takes it. Once this low gets taken,
Oh, okay.
it's no
It's
longer
a
low.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. So I'm looking here for maybe fair value gaps.
Yeah, fair value.
So would this be one? Can I mark
Yeah.
this one? Okay. So if I go from the bottom of this wick, nah, that's not a fair value gap.
Yeah, it is. You just need the fucking
box.
square, yeah.
From here to here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so then we can mark that out, and then now that's when we're gonna see what it is, right? So that's a fair value gap.
Yeah.
All right, bang. So now we go into 1 hour.
But yeah, what else do we have?
So we see, I mean, we just see keep like it's still running rejection.
I mean,
It's
we're not rejecting.
it's not rejecting because it never tapped in.
We
really.
rejected from here.
From here, yeah.
But yeah, that's
this-
something you want to keep in mind. Our overall structure as of now is pretty fair.
you rejected from here. Right?
Yeah.
From here. Okay.
So that's where you rejected. Keep in mind, we
Pushing.
inverse that.
Okay, that's true.
And this is on the 4 hours, so we're getting an overall idea where the market might want to go.
Okay.
I would look that way to see if we have any other lows we would want to target. Just scroll down. Yeah.
Maybe this one. Would that be a low or would this?
We swept it already. We took it already.
So your highest one would be out here? No.
What the fuck?
This one. It would be down here still.
Yeah, but I mean, look back. There's gonna be lower points.
Ah,
Keep looking.
down here.
There we
So
go.
that's 4 hours. Dang.
That's a 4 hour low. Also inside of a 4 hour fair value gap. Do you remember what I told you yesterday about them? Or the day before?
But it's getting me confused because now we're out here still. We're on Thursday, boy.
That doesn't matter.
Nah, no, but. Okay, sorry, what?
Remember, when there's a swing low inside of a fair value gap, it's usually a strong point.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
That's true. You want me to mark something right here?
Mark the low out, because that would be a good draw on liquidity for you to target.
Oh, from right here, right?
Yeah.
That's true. Okay, that makes sense.
And it's in a 4 hours, so
So now
most likely if we sweep that low, what do you think will happen?
it's gonna go back.
Yeah, it would start going up.
Yeah, that's where. Yeah. Okay, that's the
Yeah.
like the protection. Maybe 1 hour now.
Yeah. Let's go 1 hour.
Scroll back in.
Yeah.
So what do I want to look at more? Like over here,
No.
down here,
Because realistically, the market.
or just
Probably won't
everything,
come.
right? Technically.
Yeah.
Okay. So now maybe we're seeing more. This is I see a lot of accumulation, but maybe right here,
What about it?
maybe or no, maybe if I put it right here, no. If I
Put
were
what
to,
there?
look, if I do a fair value gap, can I do it from this top one to this bottom one?
No.
Or this one to that one? This one to that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be a fair value gap, but look what we
I
did.
know you rejected or you inversed it.
Exactly.
So that's what I'm trying to see. Does that kind of help? But then if you look more into it,
I mean, not really.
but right here kind of helps because
You
you
just
see.
seen that on the 4 hour.
So then, what do I want to look into more?
Look at the most recent candles we got
Okay.
and get rid of what you just marked. That doesn't
This
do
one?
anything
Yeah,
for
this
you.
one.
Yeah.
Okay. So now that we look more closer to it, this is 1 hour. So we're seeing maybe now a FVG right here, maybe.
Yeah.
Because it's fucking. There's 3 candles, and I did that shit horrible. Right there.
Exactly. Yeah.
So we can't go past back there, right? So what we saw that you might see it respected
Yeah, you
because
might
you
want to
see
see
a
our
thing go back up because it has a long wick.
yeah. You might want
Also,
to see our retrace move.
so then what? So now do I want to go more a little bit more down?
But wait, what do you also see right here? We got our
Would you-
fair
would
value
you
gap
also
and
get a
we
fair
got
value
rejection.
gap? That's
You don't really gotta mark that one out. It just gives you an idea of
Damn, yeah.
just so
what
that people
happened.
can see though. So from this one, no,
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 this
no.
next one.
yeah,
So from here,
yeah.
okay.
But what do you also see here? We have a lot of bunched up liquidity.
Right.
So we
Okay.
may want to come up and take it, right?
From up here.
I mean, both there
both.
and right there. So I'd mark that out
Okay.
because
That's true. That's true. Because then
Yeah.
maybe in the smaller time frames, it could reach it back up. Even this.
I wouldn't mark that
No,
middle
just
one.
this one right here. It's pretty nice because this
Yeah,
is your top
that's
point.
fine.
Okay. So maybe now it's a good point to go down.
Yeah, go 15 now.
Uh-huh.
All we're doing right now is scaling time frames to get you an overall idea.
To see
Mhm.
what maybe could be going on even lower.
Because right now we're not even looking for a trade. We're trying to see,
Trying to see how the market's moving.
not even, we want to see, are we going up or down? And if we go up, where would we want to target? If we go down, where would we want to target?
Target.
Okay.
Ooh,
So
alright.
all you're looking is for targets.
So here we have, so from the FEG, we have looked at it apparently, well, here it looks like an inverse, no?
Okay.
Well, no, actually, I'm looking at it from right over here, right?
That is, yeah, that's a
Never
bearish
mind.
fair value
Yeah,
gap.
I was
you
gonna say
want.
that's the yeah. But I don't have to, now I'm just trying to find stuff in between there now.
No. Look more up here.
Start looking at the liquidities.
I mean, you pretty much got your strong points of liquidity marked out already. Now all you're marking is other spots you can reject. Like we got a fair value gap there we've rejected from multiple times.
So from right here to right here.
What the fuck? They are directly side by side. Yes. There we go.
It's a fair value gap inside a fair value gap, which is telling us that it's a strong
Exactly.
rejection.
Then
It's a
we
strong-
got one above too. So we literally may just go up and then back down. Because look, we'll
Right
go
here.
up, we'll sweep liquidity, tap into fair value gaps, and that gives us the fuel to go lower.
Oh my gosh, yes. Mate. That shit is so
now
true.
we
Gang.
go
You're
down to
right.
5 minute.
Fuck the 5 minute, go to the
1
one.
minute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now scroll so everything's bigger.
I'll go with this shit, nigga. I'm fucking
Okay.
Now go, put your mouse right there and scroll up. Keep going. Keep going. Alright.
Right, that's cool.
So,
Okay.
from what you just marked out, everything, what do you think we're gonna do on market open?
Well, we just seen that it kind of touched one of our lowest points, no? Ish. Almost.
Not
It
ver-
almost kind of touched
almost,
liquidity.
yeah.
So it might get it's edging out. But of now we see a bullish run right here, like a right from these last previous candles, but
Little, yeah.
I mean maybe from this to this one, but then they got rejection. It was rejecting a bit.
All
I
we're
mean,
doing is
inverse.
chopping right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So maybe if I look at it from a higher point, maybe
No.
from
Literally, from everything you marked on the higher time frame, what do you think we'll do? Like right when we open, do you think we're gonna just dump lower, go up, grab liquidity, then go lower?
no, I gotta look at it from a higher time frame. Is that cool? Or I gotta
Yeah,
stay?
no, you're good.
So
Go to
now,
whatever time frame.
I mean, I'm still thinking from higher, from even from the 1 hour. What do we have that it was tapping in and then still bullish or going down a bearish from the 4 days, somewhat as well, almost touching. So I would assume it might go down. Hopefully.
Yeah, it's cool. So, my honest opinion, I think we're either gonna go again, like
But you might touch up a little. You might reach up
Yeah.
a little bit up.
that's what I'm saying. We're either like come up, grab some of this liquidity
Liquidity.
to fuel us to take both draws out, or we
Sure.
may just take both and then get our retrace move
But
to
I
this
do
1 hour.
Overall, think an overall thing it might go down. Or
Because right, this is how market moves. We go down,
up a little bit.
retrace, down. We haven't got a retrace yet, so we may want to go down and then
This
up
candle
again.
was bullish though, no? Technically.
yeah. But I mean, we didn't
And
get a
it wasn't
move
a lot.
up really.
Yeah, that's true. It's just there was a lot of wick.
So let's
Okay.
see what we do on open now.
And this is when it's about to open.
Yeah, this next candle. Okay, so we just went lower.
We just swept that liquidity right
yeah,
there.
we swept
That's
our.
That's true. Even on both.
Okay,
So then
Would that tell us that we won't want to go back there? Oh shit, we're actually
we
going
can't
more
tell,
back there.
We can't really tell from that
Right, right.
because we still have more liquidity below right now. Like we get a little move up.
Like you said,
That's
it
what
might
you
it
was
might
talking about.
go a little bit more up, claim that liquidity just to
swept,
give us the
yeah.
fuel to go back down
Swept
for
this
real.
high. What
Yeah.
did we do on that high?
you swap liquidity.
And
Went
look
up,
on
and
both
you,
of them.
You formed maybe an SMT
There
No.
we go.
from
For
maybe-
real?
Other
Where?
one.
I know, but I'm trying to see from here to here.
No.
From here to here. From right here. to-
Pick the highest
Ah,
point though. Yeah.
Got it.
Other one.
This one?
Not that one. So you can mark
Oh,
the
my bad,
SMT.
my bad. Or from right, this highest point.
Yeah.
This highest point to this one. And then if you look at it on here, it's from, where is it?
Go up. Yeah, it's gonna be at the high.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right here.
Holy
to
shit, I
right
missed that whole thing.
That's true.
There, you see? So now, let's see if our SMT holds.
Maybe we think it
Which
would
means-
stay down below it on the roof.
Yeah, exactly. If it holds.
It didn't hold.
No, it's still holding because look,
If you still went,
it's still ES hasn't swept it yet.
that's true. Because if you look at it, if you make the
Oh.
line straight and straight,
Okay.
Gotcha.
And now
right here,
look at
swept
that.
it
So
finally.
now we don't have our SMT anymore. We swept out all this liquidity, tapping into a 1 hour gap now.
Damn, yeah.
So we could start getting rejection.
Retraction.
Yeah.
Exactly.
See.
Holy shit, Nate, you were gonna cook right there, gang. You're gonna
Yeah.
cook.
You wanna
You
know
would have
why?
answered. You would have answered right
Yeah.
about there, nah.
You wanna know why we rejected?
Because we entered into the 1 hour FVG, giving us more rejection and we swept this liquidity, giving us more fuel to go down, like you said.
And keep in mind, we had a SMT at first for our first little move.
Yeah. Mhm.
Then it got disrespected.
Yeah.
But then we could look at this now. On the 5 minute time frame,
Yeah.
we inversed.
Versed.
So that would give me the confidence. Do you think we're gonna continue lower or go higher?
Yelling. Can you replay 10 seconds?
No.
I'm gonna go.
Look at what we
Look.
just did. We
What you
swept
just-
liquidity,
liquidities.
tapped into a 1 hour, inversed to 5 minute.
You're gonna go up.
Use
No.
dumb fuck.
It was a
50-50. It's always a 50-50.
And you fucking failed. It's like Baccarat, man. You had.
You trash, man.
But look, we made
Fuck, this is my first mess up, man.
we made our low there. So there's two things we could do now. We'll either sweep that, go get a retrace move,
From here.
yeah, or we'll just go into our 4 hour. Swap.
Holy shit.
4
sweat
hour.
that hoe.
Let's see.
Flowers.
Probably got a SMT.
And then we're probably not gonna want to go back down that low because because we already market already
You're
tried to
still
say they wanted to
touching
go
in.
that low, so they're probably
Yeah,
they're
Still
probably
tapping in.
it's accumulating. I ain't gonna lie. Gang.
yeah. Just accumulation. Oh my gosh! Look at how clean that is, though.
That is clean as fuck.
We're
I ain't
just
gonna lie about it.
accumulating.
Yeah.
We get a wick down to sweep all of it,
Mm-hmm.
and then we get a move up.
Yep.
So
Oh
Holy
my gosh,
shit,
fucking game time
Yeah.
is too easy, man.
this shit.
You asked. You failed a 50-50 question.
He probably would have
Everything
said
you-
right here. and it would've
Everything
kept
you
going
did,
down.
everything you did good just got wiped away. You back at like a
70%.
yeah, you a C plus student.
C plus. This
Yeah.
man said.
But I mean, you see, you just gotta scale time frame to time frame and
That
see.
wasn't bad. Yeah.
And
that
there,
works.
what did we do? We have
For value.
what did we do right here on the candle
You
close?
swept liquidity.
You dumbass.
On the candle close, which one? This one?
Yeah.
Your rejection.
No,
Inverse.
Inverse. My bad. Fuck.
that and keep going through our vocab. You only got like 3 other words.
Inverse.
And it starts with the B.
Bear. Bullish.
You dumb fuck. It's 3 letters and starts with the B. Break.
Break even.
break extraction.
Where the fuck do you get
Did
break
not fit.
even?
From these two?
He said
Okay,
there's
you
3
know,
words.
break
He
a
said
structure.
nah.
Yeah, right here, right? Technically. Like,
I
where's
hope
the
you
brush?
know.
Are we talking about right here? Or are we talking about right here?
Maybe the one I just marked. Keep in mind, you went through every vocab except for the one that was right. Some shit, yeah.
That was pretty good. Good lesson. Thanks,
Bro, with
coach.
time, this shit definitely gonna get you.
Appreciate it, coach.
For sure, with time.
Day 4, or yeah, 4. We're done. What else do we got? Damn.
Day 5.
Low key,
Trying to learn, but
most of the time now is just them practicing a little bit.
homework.
Yeah, get that shit done. Then we're gonna start learning a strategy. Then other bullshit we'll learn. Just little things
How you
like
feel, bro?
Fibonacci, learning premium, ranges, accumulation, manipulation, shit like that. But yeah, that's it for today.
Good video.
You better enjoy.
Stay
I
tuned.
mean,
Stay
shit,
tuned.
Stay tuned, man. This is
Yeah,
like-
Gonna
stay
make
tuned.
profit for
We're
real.
gonna
Again.
come
Which one of them is gonna get the payout first?
Me, bro. I'm big dog around here, bro. You know I'm finna get the payout.
Vote right now. Vote right
Green,
now.
Green.